Hey everyone, I've got some huge news for Social Security and SSDI recipients. Massive payments ranging from 1,500 to staggering 6,500 are set to hit bank accounts starting the 15th of February. If you're wondering why these payments are so much larger than usual, or if you're curious about who's getting what and when, you're in the right place. I'm about to break down everything you need to know, so stay tuned, because this could directly impact your February benefits. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss important updates about Social Security news and payment schedules. Let's dive in. Why are these payments so much larger than usual? First, let's address the big question. Why are these payments significantly higher than what you might be used to? The Social Security Administration, SSA, has rolled out some major changes for 2025, including a substantial cost of living adjustment, COLA, and additional supplementary payments for specific groups of beneficiaries. These changes are designed to help millions of Americans keep up with rising living costs, and they've resulted in some of the largest payment increases we've seen in years. But here's what makes this round of payments even more exciting. They include retroactive adjustments and supplementary payments that many beneficiaries might not even realize they're eligible for. That means some of you could be receiving back payments dating back several months, which is why the amounts are so high for certain individuals. Who's getting paid and when? Now, let's talk about the payment schedule. The SSA has organized these payments based on your birthday and benefit type, ensuring a smooth and systematic distribution process. Here's the breakdown. If your birthday falls between the 1st and 10th of the month, you'll be in the first group to receive your payment on the 15th of February. If your birthday is between the 11th and 20th, your payment will arrive on the 16th of February. For those with birthdays from the 21st to the end of the month, your payment will land in your account on the 17th of February. And here's some great news for SSI recipients. You'll get your payments a little earlier, starting on the 14th of February. This early distribution ensures you have access to your funds before the weekend, so there's no delay in meeting your essential needs. Why are some payments as high as $6,500? You might be wondering why some beneficiaries are receiving payments as high as $6,500 while others are getting $1,500 or less. The answer lies in several factors. Benefit category. Long-term SSDI recipients with maximum work credits are seeing some of the highest payments. Supplementary payments. If you're eligible for both SSDI and SSI concurrent benefits, you could receive additional funds. Retroactive adjustments. Many beneficiaries are receiving back payments for previous months, which can significantly boost the total amount. Dependents. If you have eligible dependents, such as minor children or disabled adult children, your payment could include additional funds for them. For example, if you've been waiting on retroactive benefits from your application approval date, this February payment might include those back payments, resulting in a much larger deposit than usual. What should you do if your payment seems incorrect? If your payment amount doesn't match what you were expecting, don't panic. The SSA has specific procedures in place for payment verification and dispute resolution. Here's what you should do. Check your My Social Security account. This online tool is your go-to resource for tracking your payments and understanding your benefit details. Contact the SSA. Reach out to the SSA through their official channels to clarify any discrepancies. Keep detailed records. Maintain documentation of all your benefit payments, especially if you're receiving larger or adjusted amounts. This will be crucial for resolving any issues. How will these payments affect other benefits? If you're receiving other forms of assistance, such as Medicare, Medicaid, or food stamps, it's important to understand how these larger payments might impact your eligibility. While Social Security benefits are generally not counted as income for these programs, it's always a good idea to double-check with the relevant agencies to ensure there are no surprises. Practical tips for managing these larger payments. With these increased payments, it's tempting to splurge, but I strongly recommend creating a budget to ensure your essential needs are covered first. Here are some tips. Set aside emergency funds. Consider saving a portion of your payment for unexpected expenses. Plan for medical costs. If you're on Medicare, review your premiums and deductions to ensure you're prepared for any changes. Beware of scams. Unfortunately, scammers often target beneficiaries during major payment distributions. Be vigilant and never share your personal information with unsolicited callers or emails. What's next? Looking ahead to 2025. These February payments are just the beginning. The SSA has announced several other program changes and updates for 2025, so staying informed is crucial. Make sure you're signed up for your My Social Security account to track your benefits and stay updated on any future adjustments. Key dates and actions to take. Before we wrap up, let's recap the key dates and actions you should take. Mark the 15th of February on your calendar. This is when the first wave of payments will hit. Verify your direct deposit information. Ensure your bank details are up to date to avoid any delays. Set up your My Social Security account. This is your best tool for tracking payments and accessing important benefit information. Stay vigilant. Protect yourself from scams and fraud by being cautious with your personal information. Final thoughts. This February payment distribution is a game changer for millions of Social Security and SSDI recipients. Whether you're receiving 1,500 or 6,500 reals, these funds are designed to help you stay afloat in an increasingly expensive world. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below if you have any questions about your February payments, and I'll do my best to address them in upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. How will these payments affect other benefits? For beneficiaries who receive multiple types of assistance such as Medicare, Medicaid, or food stamps, it's important to understand how these larger payments might impact your eligibility for other programs. While Social Security benefits are generally taxable, the specific amount depends on your total income and filing status. Consider consulting with a tax professional to understand the implications of these larger payments. Practical tips for managing these larger payments. While it might be tempting to spend the extra funds immediately, I strongly recommend creating a budget that accounts for essential needs first. Have you thought about setting aside some of these funds for emergency expenses or future medical costs? For beneficiaries who are also receiving Medicare benefits, the February payment might reflect recent changes in Medicare premiums and deductions. Understanding these adjustments is crucial for managing your healthcare costs throughout the year. Stay vigilant against scams. With these larger payments, it's more important than ever to stay vigilant against fraud and scams. Scammers often target recipients during major payment distributions, so be cautious about sharing personal information. If something seems off, contact the SSA immediately. Key dates and actions to take. Mark your calendars. The 15th of February. First wave of payments for birthdays, first -10th. The 16th of February. Payments for birthdays 11th, -20th. The 17th of February. Payments for birthdays 21st, -31st. The 14th of February. Early payments for SSI recipients. Make sure your direct deposit information is up to date and consider setting up a My Social Security account online. This tool is invaluable for monitoring your payments and accessing important benefit information. Final thoughts. The 15th of February payment distribution is a game changer for millions of Social Security and SSDI recipients. Whether you're receiving a standard monthly benefit or a larger payment due to retroactive adjustments, these funds can make a significant difference in your financial security. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and take advantage of the resources available to you. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below if you have any questions about the February payments, and I'll do my best to address them in upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.